Imagine this. You wake up, scroll your phone, and suddenly the world feels different. Israel has struck Iranian missile storage sites. Iran responds with long range attacks. US and UK military bases are now under fire. And now, over 5,000 US Marines, Navy ships, and military equipment are being deployed into the region. This is no longer just tension. This is escalation. And most people are watching this like it's just news, something happening far away. But here's the truth. This is not just a war story. This is a money story. Because right now, while missiles are flying, oil prices are moving, markets are reacting, and wealth is quietly shifting. And whether you realize it or not, this is already affecting your life. Welcome back. My name is Chuma, and today we are breaking down what is actually happening, why this escalation matters globally, and most importantly, what this means for your money right now. Section 1. What's really happening? Let's slow this down and make sense of it because the headlines are chaotic. Here's the reality. Israel has launched targeted strikes on Iranian missile infrastructure. Iran has responded with long-range missile attacks, even targeting areas near strategic sites. US and UK military bases have been directly targeted in retaliation. And now, the United States is sending in thousands of additional troops, warships, and aircraft. Now pause, because this is the moment things shift. When you see Israel, Iran, United States, United Kingdom, all involved, you are no longer watching a regional conflict. You are watching a global economic trigger. And history tells us something very important. When global powers collide, markets don't wait. They react instantly. The economic shockwave. Let's bring this to your world, your wallet, your daily life. Number one, oil prices are exploding. This is the most important piece. The conflict is happening in one of the most critical oil regions in the world. And right now, the Strait of Hormuz, where about 20% of global oil passes, is under threat. Oil prices have already surged above $100 plus per barrel. Now, think about what that means. When oil rises, gas becomes more expensive, food prices increase, transportation costs rise, businesses raise prices. This is how war becomes inflation. Not tomorrow, today. 2. Markets are shaking. Investors hate uncertainty, and right now, uncertainty is at its peak. We are seeing stock markets dropping, increased volatility, fear-driven selling. Analysts are even warning of potential major market crashes if escalation continues. And when markets fall, people panic. But this is where understanding matters, because volatility is not chaos, it's transition. 3. Global trade is under pressure. This is bigger than oil. When war affects key regions, shipping routes become risky, insurance costs for transport increase, deliveries slow down, and we've seen this before. Supply chains break, prices rise. And suddenly you're asking, why is everything so expensive? Section 3. What smart money is doing. Now here's the part most people miss. Because while fear spreads, wealth is being repositioned quietly. Number 1. Moving into energy. When oil prices rise, energy companies benefit. This is not speculation, it's economics. Number 2. Moving into safe assets. During uncertainty, money flows into gold, commodities, defensive sectors, because investors want protection, not risk. Number 3. Buying opportunity. Here's the biggest shift. When markets drop, the average person sees danger, but smart investors see opportunity. Because strong companies don't disappear, they become cheaper. Number 4. Holding cash for flexibility. This is underrated. Cash gives you power, because when opportunity comes, you can act, not watch. Section 4. What most people do wrong. Let's be honest. Here's what most people are doing right now. Watching fear-based news all day, panic selling, stopping investments, freezing completely. And it feels logical. It feels safe. But it's not. Because in moments like this, money doesn't disappear, it transfers from emotional people to strategic people. Section 5. What you should do right now. Let's make this practical. 1. Stay calm. Your biggest advantage right now is not reacting emotionally. 2. Prepare for higher costs. Expect higher gas prices, higher food costs, increased living expenses. Plan ahead. 3. Keep investing, but be smart. Focus on strong companies, essential industries, long-term value. 4. Build financial cushion. Uncertainty increases risk. Cash flow protects you. 5. Stay informed, not consumed. There's a difference. One gives clarity, the other creates fear. Here's the truth. You cannot control war. You cannot control global politics. But you can control how you position your money. Because right now, two types of people are being created. Those reacting in fear, those preparing for opportunity. And years from now, that difference will show. If this gave you clarity, like this video, share it with someone who needs this, and subscribe. Because we break down money, global events, and wealth the way most people never understand it. This is Chuma, and I'll see you in the next one.